Hey Fab Girls, have you ever gone into a store and seen a beautiful piece, maybe a top or a dress, but you're just not sure whether you're going to get the wear out of it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to dress up and dress down some of those beautiful signature pieces that are going to help you create your personal style. If you're new to my channel, or if you're back again, welcome. It's so wonderful to have you here. I'm Tracy Gold, and it's my absolute passion to share with you fashion tips that make you look and feel fabulous, no matter your age. And if you would like to get more tips like these, then you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the corner, and you can also go below the video to where the bell is and hit that to get notified when I upload new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Oh, and ladies, if you don't know how to sign into YouTube and you don't know how to subscribe, I have created a video just for you. You can look in the description below and check out that video, and I'll show you how. Right, let's get on into the tips. Now, so many times I've been in a store and I see a piece that is really beautiful and it's really what I call a signature piece. But I often find myself thinking, how am I going to wear this? And you know, my rule of thumb is, can I dress it up and can I dress it down? Am I going to be able to wear it for various different occasions and possibly even various seasons? Especially since we have such crazy weather. I mean, spring, but not really spring yet. It's just crazy. So we want to get a lot of wear out of the pieces that we buy. Now, I often encourage women to get some signature pieces, and sometimes that means investing a little bit more. But if you know how to make them work in your closet, then they are the pieces that you actually are going to wear the most. And it doesn't matter if somebody has seen you in it before, because it's your signature piece. I have quite a few like that. You'll know if you've been following me for a while. I also want to just encourage you ladies that when it comes to shopping for your signature pieces, it's also a really good idea to look at those smaller designers, sometimes more your artisanal designers or designers that have smaller collections, because that way you are more likely to get something exclusive and something special. Also, you're helping to support smaller designers, like with me, for instance. So I have my own collection, and that is one of the ways that I monetize this channel so that I can continue to bring you all these fabulous free tips. So today, in this video, I'm going to choose two pieces from my latest collection, and I'm going to show you how you can mix and match them and wear them so many different ways. So this wrap top is a fabulous top to dress up and dress down. So first of all, I'm wearing it with a pair of jeans, which is kind of what you would expect to wear it with, right? So nice pair of dark wash jeans, pair of boots till it gets warmer. When it gets warmer, then you can just put on a open shoe or slip-on shoe, no problem. And it's a lovely day wear or even casual outfit. But now I'm wondering, how could I dress this up for a little bit more of a formal event? Let's take a look. Now, look at how different this looks. So same top, but put with my raffle pants. Okay, so ladies, please, I got these in Barcelona a few years ago. So I can't sell these to you. Sorry, these are the only ones. But look at how the top can really just be transformed and the outfit transformed. So I put it with a pair of heels, which gives me that little bit of extra height. And you could do it with a basic black skirt or even black pants and suddenly dress this top up in an instant. Now ladies, that's the kind of thing that you want to look for in these signature pieces. Can I dress it up and wear it for an evening or something a little bit more formal, and can I wear it for every day too? Now, this is one of my absolute favorite dresses from my collection, and it's super, super flexible, believe it or not. So here I'm wearing it with a lovely pair of fishnet tights and high heels for the evening. Add the belt also to further accentuate the waist, also the belts from my collection, but see how it just gives this lovely formal look. I could even take this look further, put my hair up, put on some different kind of accessories, even maybe just trade the black plain shoe for a sparkly shoe, and could really go for a seriously formal occasion. But what I really want to show you is how you can wear these sparkles during the day. All right, see how you can completely transform the look from evening into kind of smart day. And I remember one of my viewers actually asking me to do a video on how to create, kind of wear your sparkly things during the day. Well, this is how to do it. Add some edgy elements to it. So here, my favorite red leather jacket. You know, you've seen this plenty before. And then I just switched the heels for just my plain rock chic boots. But ladies, you could actually transform this for your personal style. So maybe lose the fishnet tights, wear maybe just a flat pump, could be red, could be black, could be simple, whatever works for you. And then just put a casual jacket on it and see how it works. You see how you can transform signature pieces no matter your look. And you know what my philosophy is? Why fit in when you can stand out? I love this look. I'm so in love with this look that I think I need to wear it straight away. I've never actually worn my dress this way, and so even in this video, I feel inspired to go and wear it. So come with me while I take it out to the streets of New York and try it out. If you are a little bit tempted to take a look at my collection after you've seen how wearable it can be, then I decided to make it really cost effective for you to invest in and have fun with these pieces. So specifically for my Fab Gal community, I have a 30% discount coupon for you. So you can use a Fab Gal, Fab being a capital F, Gal being a capital G, 30 at your checkout, and you will get 30% off. But if you're not sure, details are in the description below, and so is the link to my collection page. But just go on to tracygoldfashiontips.com, click on the shop page, and voila, you're there. You can shop to your heart's delight. So ladies, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you have found it very useful, and that you are now ready to go and shop for your signature pieces this spring. Because I'm telling you ladies, it really can make such a difference in your closet. But if you're feeling a little bit confused as to what your personal style is, and you're really not sure of how to shop for your signature pieces, then wait for it ladies. I'm going to be offering an online course that is going to help you to discover, define, and refine your own personal style. Now, it isn't out yet. It is coming soon. We are in production with it as we speak. So ladies, if you want to stay up to date, then you can subscribe to my weekly newsletter and you will get the updates. Plus, all the updates on tips and fabulous things and specials on my collection, you name it, it's in there. So if you want to join, go to my website, tracygoldfashiontips.com. There'll be a pop-up a few seconds as you will get onto my site, and it will give you the option to subscribe. Subscribe to my newsletter, put your email address in there, and then check in your inbox because you'll get a free download on my top makeover tips. And then you'll get the weekly newsletter with tips and information about my personal style course coming soon. Thanks ladies for watching. Let me know in the comments below, which look did you like best? Do you think you can implement these in your closet? I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, bye.